Good afternoon to all of us. A blessed Sunday to all of us. Today is June 22nd, 2025. Today is the feast day of the Holy Body and Blood of our Lord Jesus Christ, Corpus Christi. Kaya nga po, I hope napagsimula na po tayo bilang Catholic, and we have to, thank God for all the blessings na pinibigay sa atin araw-araw, sa mga biyaya sa lahat, little things, small things, big things, as long na may grasya na pinibigay sa atin ng ating Panginoon. We have to always thank God for everything that we have, for all the graces and blessings na pinibigay sa atin in the good life. Again, this is Charlie Wright, Obi Charles Ablang Aluya. I'm here at the National Shrine of Mary Help of Christians Parish, National Shrine Minor Basilica, dito po sa Barangay Don Bosco, Better Living Subdivision, Parañaque. Again, may God bless, protect, and guide us always.
Paniderya, diba? Whether we like it or not, tayo ay nagsisimba ay tunay na katawan at dugo ni Kristo.